Are you talking? Are you yelling at me? Oh. You wanna get up? This is how Noah talks when he's trying to tell me something. Right now, he finished his baba. And there was only like 2 ounces in there because he wouldn't finish it earlier. So he wants to finish it now. And this is how you tell me, isn't it? Look at your big belly. Goody, goody. Goody, goody. Goody, goody, goody. You are just trying to sit up, aren't you? Come on, sit up. Sit up. You can do it. Oh, he's a big boy. Can you say bye? Ooh, don't bye. Say bye. Oop, lay down. You're drooling. Hey, Mr. Angry Old Man. You look like an angry old man. Say bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.